What's going on, guys? I got a real quick unboxing today, and this package is from Big Eye Design. By the way, I just cut that with my Klingman. I'm loving this knife right now by Taylor Martin. Take a look at that, oriented to the left-hand side because Taylor Martin cares about the lefties of the EDC community. Random thought, but by the way, doesn't Taylor Martin look like one of the Bash brothers from Mighty Ducks? Anyways, I got a package and let's take a look at it. So, I got a hank here and that says Right Slice Fix. This is by Renegade Provisions. Looks like it, a collaboration. Really nice. They got like different details on there with their logos and everything like that. That's pretty sweet. I got a shirt and a pen. Let's take a look at this. Throw that hank in my back pocket. The pen that I got is the Baseline Bolt Action Pen, which by the way, they just came out with a Baseline capped pen, which I personally saw at SHOT Show this year. Brantley was kind enough to show that and I was able to put it in my video. Freaking sick. I want to get that as well. But I got the Baseline Bolt Action Pen. It's more of their budget line bolt action pens that Big Idea Design sells. So I'm gonna open that up in a little bit here, but let's take a look at this shirt. Wow, wow. It says Titanium Dreams, Big Idea Design. Has a raccoon holding their lookout. Take a look at that. That's pretty sweet. And on the front side, you got it's a pocket tee and it says bid, Big Idea Design. Thank you so much for sending that over, Brantley. And now let's take a look at this pen. Bolt Action Baseline. Gonna use my Klingman again to open this up. So taking a look at the pen inside, always got premium packaging. Oh, look at that. If the seal is broken, remove from inventory. Not broken, now it is. Wow. Okay, so this is the Baseline Bolt Action Pen in Stonewash Titanium, one piece. I like how small it is. So in my pocket right now, I actually have the dual side click pen, and this is in raw titanium, and you have Stonewash here. So just a little size comparison. Did you guys see that fly just hit my hand? What the hell?
Yeah, and you have Stonewash.
So there's a real quick size comparison of the two pens here. And what's cool about this bolt action pen, all the bolt action pen that Big Idea Design sells, is that this bolt action can be oriented to the left side to be left-hand friendly. That's pretty awesome. This takes Parker style refills, and so does the Baseline capped. So something to keep in mind. Obviously the dual slide is going to be a little bit more modular because it takes any type of refill essentially, and how it deploys, you just click it down, you use either side of a dual side click to redeploy that pen. There you have it, folks. The Baseline Stonewash Titanium EDC pen by Big Eye Design. I'm gonna be having a updated EDC pen video coming soon, and this is gonna be featured in that along with other favorites that I have that I've been using. So Mikey Daily Carry, I'll catch you guys on the next one. If you do like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Welcome, pal.